Hi, welcome to the Resources Roadhouse. I'm Wally Graham and I'm in Fremantle. I'm at the 2021 RIU Explorers Conference, and today I caught up with Ian Murray, who's Executive Chairman of Matador Mining.
Cape Ray Shear is in Newfoundland, as you mentioned. In Newfoundland, there's an exploration renaissance going on, a lot of pegging of ground. We own 120 strike kilometres of the Cape Ray Shear. To the north of us, Marathon Gold have got 4 million ounces, which is on the Cape Ray Shear. A portion of our tenement, we've already got 837,000 ounces on the Cape Ray Shear, and we've got the remainder 120 kilometres, which has hardly been tested. So a deep-seated, traditional, old, Archean hosting gold system that we hold. 120 kilometres is a distance in Kalgoorlie, from Kalgoorlie all the way up to Menzies. And in 105 kilometres of that strike that we've got, there's only been 20 historic drill holes. So you can imagine between Kalgoorlie and Menzies only having 20 historic drill holes. So that's our perspective. We think the area is. The previous people there haven't explored. We now own the ground. We've got good geologists involved, and we know that the multi-million ounce system on that shear belt, because we've got the 4 million ounces at Marathon, and we've got the 837,000 ounces already on our tenement. There are two major gold companies on Marathon. When I say major in terms of market cap, the first one, Marathon, that I mentioned with the 4 million ounces, they're at the end of their pre-feasibility study into their feasibility study now, and their market cap is around 650 million Canadian. The other company is Newfoundland Gold, which is an exploration company, market cap of around $500 million, no resources yet, just doing exploration drilling. And then our market cap around $60 million with 837,000 ounces, but with the 120 strike kilometres, the largest landholder on the Cape Ray Shear. Yeah, and from a Canadian perspective, absolutely. The Canadians are fully aware that in Newfoundland, exploration has only just restarted. It was only from the 1980s that exploration occurred on that island. Prior to that, the ground was all held by a few people and very little exploration was done. So there's this exploration renaissance happening across there. Canada is fully aware of it, and that's why the Canadian company values are so good. As an Australian company, we need to educate the Australian investors about this opportunity and why there's such a value differential between our value and these highly valued Canadian explorers. Absolutely, and it's the same as what we did at Gold Road. We had what we called the Attila Alaric trend, which had 1 million ounces, but we went looking for the big systems and we found Gruyere. It's the same thing on our belt. We've already got the 840,000 ounces. We've done the scoping study. It's very economic, low operating cost, high margin, quick payback on the capital, which is what you want for your starter project. But we see more upside through the drill bit in finding new discoveries on that belt.